Hey Mar, are we on?
You are.
Well, today we'd like to say a big thank you. Who are we going to say thank you to?
Peak Leader.
Peak Leader.
And the European Union funding people.
That's right. And because of the Peak Leader Fund, we have got this new bandsaw.
That's right.
Startrite 403. Brilliant bandsaw. We've got a nice new blade on it now. And with that we've been making our jewellery display stands for B2B, which is fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
We've also, if you follow me, through this way, we've got on the door here our sign.
Our sign? What does it say?
Our sign. And this shows us who is funded and also the equipment that we've got. So we've got a chiller, extractor unit, Hegnasaw, not yet, but it's going to be coming later on in the year, and also the bandsaw. So come and have a look at our wonderful new laser cutter. Universal Laser Systems. It's fantastic, and we bought this because especially we wanted to do photographs. So this is a fantastic machine that enables us to do stuff like this. This is Ernie, the Wonder Dog. Also, we've got this extraction unit, and that extracts the gases from both of the machines. And on the back of the machine, something you can't see because it's tucked away, is a chiller. And the chiller cools down the tube on this machine here, which makes it more efficient and makes the tubes last longer. And all those things were funded by the Peak Leader.
Not entirely.
No, we had to pay, didn't we?
We paid 60%.
We paid 60% and they paid... actually, we paid for it all and then they're going to give us 40% back, right?
Right,
So
which means that we were able to do all this.
that's it. And we can expand our business and grow and develop and make a whole new range of products, which is fantastic. So thank you very much, and watch this space to see what we make.
And these products are going to be on sale at places nearby you.
They are.
Right.
Indeed they are. And online.
Who smiled?